Good morning, YouTube. Good morning, fellow entrepreneurs. We're going to try this again, guys, okay? From the last time, we had a major upset, but today, it's almost unbelievable what's happening, okay? The turn of events, the information that was originally received, and what I have now is insane, okay? So on the ad, the location is supposedly like an hour away from where I live. So I planned it out. Like, hey, talk to the guy. So hey, so I gotta be there by so and so hours and all that. And he's like, okay, how close to you to this street? And I'm like, this street, that street. I live off of that street that he mentioned. It turns out that the location, keyword location, is about 5 minutes away from me. Okay, 5 minutes away, and it's two machines side by side. Drink, a soda machine and a snack machine at a water treatment facility that's really close to here. Okay, I'm talking about like 5-10 minutes. I can run over there if I felt like my army days were coming back. I'll just go run over there. It's like, no, it's insane. I just can't believe it. So we're gonna go check this out. I'm super hyped, super excited to see how this turns out. He says the machines are working very well. You can leave them there to make money or take them wherever you want to go make money. They're fully stocked, ready to go, and he wants to sell them both to me. I'm going to go check them out. I'm going to cross my fingers, toes. Everybody cross your fingers. I hope this one turns out really good, and we'll check it out. Stay tuned. All right, guys. You can already see where I'm at. I'm in some break room looking area. It finally happened. All right, take a look at this. Two fully functioning machines, okay? You see the snack machine stocked. I can restock it some more. I'm about to open up the soda machine so you can see how much it's actually low. It's actually low on there. There's actually some pretty popular items on there. So let me do this whole spinning thing. But yes, we managed to land the location, and the best part is it's 5 minutes from my house. I can jog here if I really wanted to. All right, it's insane. I'm so happy. I'm just so happy, and I'm over here just turning this thing around and around and around. Let's go. All right. So excited. All right, there we go. So the gentleman said that the Mountain Dew, Dr. Pepper, these two over here, Pepsi and Diet Coke, are the most popular. So that's what I'll be. I'm restocking all of it. All of this, I'm just gonna fill it up. I don't have to worry about it. The best answer he gave me to my first question, I said issues ? He said none. I was like, okay. So there is the lights issue. It's not a big deal. It's actually pretty bright here, so I'm not all too concerned about that. So yes, guys, second location, 2 more vending machines. All right, guys, excuse this little intermission in the video. Also, excuse my voice. I'm yet again losing my voice. But the points that we're cutting in this video is that I forgot to mention some details about the new vending machines. Excuse me. One, I got a fantastic deal. Fantastic. The guy was originally going to get $2,000 from some other guy the day afterwards. But he didn't, what happened was he was already in my area. So I offered him $1,500 for both machines. And he was like, "Are you sure you want to meet me?" I'm like, "Dude, I'm already at the place. It's actually like 2 minutes away from my house." So he's like, "You know what? Let's just finish the deal." So it was. I saved like $500, and the snack machine was stocked. You saw it. Also, I apologize for not showing too much of the snack machine. I was super excited. So, yeah, I'm losing my voice. Oh well, I'll fix it. But yeah, I apologize for not showing too much of the snack machine. Another thing too is I don't have to pay commission to anyone there. That was like one of the nicest things there too, was I don't pay anyone anything there. I just show up, stock, collect, and go. So again, I got really, 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 really lucky with the pricing on this deal with a location. Okay, so no commission. When I said it's all like on my street, it's not literally on my street where I live, like 5 minutes away. There's a road. You turn right into my neighborhood. That's the road that the main street. Okay, so it's not like it's right there next to my house. Okay, no. So just want to clear that up. Okay, no commission. The snack machine is awesome. There was no issues. I know I didn't mention it too much. So, but yeah, let's get back to the video. I'm so happy the guy gave me a fantastic deal, and it's so close to my house. Like, it's on the same street where I live, the same street in my neighborhood. I can't believe it. So, expect collection videos from this place eventually. I got the other one coming up pretty soon. I gotta go work on some of the lanes over there, the slots on the first machines that I bought. Go check it out. But it's been collecting money over there, so expect that one soon, guys. So again, we made it after that big upset the first time with one machine. We succeeded with 2 new machines, drink and snack. All right, so if you guys like what I'm doing, hit that like button. If you guys really love what I'm doing, smash that subscribe button. Any questions, comments, concerns, down below in the comments. Also, if you have any questions on what gear I use to record YouTube and everything, all of that is in the description below. So again, I'll see you guys in the next Entrepreneurial Dad video. Take it easy, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys later. Take it easy.